I did not think that the day would ever come that I would be truly excited. I mean, dancing through the house, excited, smiling from ear to ear, excited to receive word that the position that I have been in for the past year has just been eliminated, that the company has decided to take a different direction. The company has decided to go in a different direction. And because of that, the company has eliminated the position that I was in. Now I'm gonna tell you something. This position that been in for the past year, I was excited to show up. I loved being in this position. I loved serving and being able to help other people when I was actually in this position. But I got word just this morning that the company has decided to go a different direction, and that because of that, that position has now been eliminated. And I was like, thank you, Jesus. I got to dancing around the house, I got to smiling, I got it just made me feel good, because that just means that he done closed that door. Oh, Jesus, I thank you. But the doors that he has opened up are bigger and better than what I had before. That has not always been my mindset. This whole experience, and this is like fresh, brand new. This whole experience just got this word this morning. This whole experience reminded me of the years, I mean, the years when I was actually trying to climb the leadership ladder. I was on fire year after year after year, applying for different leadership roles. I was applying for in different cities. I was applying in different districts. I was applying for different positions. It did not matter if it was a leadership role in the field of education. I was applying for it. I was on fire. I'm asking everybody, hey, people who were already in higher leadership positions, I'm asking them, hey, what kind of questions do you think that they may ask me on the interview? Okay. So I applied, got accepted to an interview. So then I'm asking everybody, I had advisors and mentors. What kind of questions do you think they're going to ask me? Hey, will you practice these questions with me? Can you do a mock interview with me? I'm super excited. I was out there on the chase. Let me tell you, I was out there on the chase trying to climb that leadership ladder. It did not matter where it was. I had a certain radius from my house. If it was within that radius, I was applying for that position. And it seemed like the more I applied, the more rejections that I actually got. It didn't matter if it was by a phone call. It did not matter if it was by an email. It didn't matter if it was by a text message. I got rejection after rejection after rejection. Do you know what that does to a person's confidence level? Chomp, chomp, chomp. It just started eating away with every single one of them. I remember one time, as a matter of fact, I received a rejection phone call that was literally less than 30 seconds. The phone rang, I answered it, and she was like, yeah, I just called to let you know that you're not moving to the next level. Okay, thank you for applying. Click. And I'm like, uh, oh, okay. But it just seemed like it was so much rejection. Oh, the numbers were adding up. Rejection after rejection after rejection. With every single one of them, it was like a little piece of me being taken away. With every single one of it, it made me feel like I was not only rejected, it made me feel like I was unqualified. It made me feel like I was unskilled. It made me feel like I was not good enough. And these were positions that were very similar to positions that I had already been working in before, that I had already had before. It was still within the field of education. It did not matter. Every single rejection that I received made me feel a little bit lower, a little bit lower, a little bit lower. It was a blow to my confidence. It was a blow to my ego. every door seemed to close. Bam, bam, bam. No, not yet. Not right now. Every single, it didn't matter how they said it, what language they used. All I heard was rejected. All I heard was, you're not good enough. That's what my inner critic was telling me. And she was loud. She was very loud. And she came very often, constantly in my. Do y'all know what that feels like? When you do receive bad news, it's something that you wanted so bad. You wanted so bad. And you finally get that response. And it's a rejection. And now you got that inner critic sitting right up here on your shoulder. Told you weren't good enough. I knew they weren't going to choose you. Why are you even trying? Oh, she was loud. Always talking. She was so loud. That's what it was like for years for me. This morning, I was reminded in my Bible study, I was studying the book of John. In the book of John, chapter 1, verse 10, it reads, He was in the world, and though the world was made through him, the world did not receive him. He came to that which was his own, but his own did not receive him. Even Jesus, the creator of this world, was not even accepted by this world. That was hard for me to receive those rejections. That was hard for me to receive, to look at that, those doors being constantly closed, that I could not get into those places that I really wanted to get into because I was really trying to move up that leadership ladder. You may have had those experiences as well, where it's something that you really wanted. You've been practicing, you've gotten all the help, you are ready. You don't pump yourself up, you ready to go and get it. You know that you are qualified, you know that you can do it. However, in the end, you receive that word, and that word is no. That's the word that you got. And then you like, dang, that hurts. I know it hurts. I know it hurts to receive that no, and to look at that no as though it was rejection. But they rejected Jesus. They did not receive him either. There are going to be some places, there are going to be some people who do not accept you. But just as though there are some people in some places who do not accept you, I want you to know that there will also be certain places where you are accepted, certain spaces where you are accepted. You may not have been received over here, but you will be received over here. There is a particular place, there is a particular space exactly where you are supposed to be, because there is a place where you will be received. There are people who will be attracted to you. There are people who will be assigned to you. There are people who are waiting just for you. Listen to what verse 12 says. Verse 12 goes on to read, Yet to all who did receive him. That's good news right there. Yet to all those who did receive him. It may have not been this place over here. It may have not been this group of people. It may have not have been that job. It may have not have been that assignment. But to all who did receive, that's letting you know that there is going to be a place where you are received. There is going to be a place just for you. Just for you, you will be received. I want you to know this. It goes on to read that he gave the right to become children of God. So in that place where he was received, he gave those people in that place the right to be called a child of God. So those who do receive you, ooh, I want you to get excited about this. I want you to get happy about this, because there is going to be a place, there is going to be a space, there's going to be a job, there is going to be an assignment just for you. For those who do receive you, those who have been assigned to you, those who are attracted to you, those are the ones who are going to be blessed by you. Not somebody else, but by you. There is a place just for you. There is a place where you will be received just as who you are right now. Remember this. I want you to know that you are worthy. I want you to know that you are deserving. I want you to know that there is a space that is just waiting for you. There is a place and a space where you are going to absolutely thrive. Oh, when you get into that place, oh, you're going to know it. You're going to know what it feels like. You're going to know the difference. You are going to feel it. And in that place, it's not going to be like any other. In that place, you are absolutely going to thrive. There is a space and a place where you are going to add so much value. Those people around you are going to be impacted. They are going to be impacted so much so that their lives will be forever changed. You know why? Because you finally walked into your place. Because you finally walked into that space. That space in that place that will receive you. That space and that place where you are to make that difference. Their lives are going to be forever changed because you found your place. So I don't want you to be discouraged. I don't even want you to give up. Don't look at your present circumstances. You might be in a space right now where you may be applying for a job. You might be wanting to get a new role or a new assignment. And you may be in a place right now where it's just constantly doors are closing, doors are closing, doors are closing. It's rejection after rejection after rejection. I was just on a call with a young lady last night who actually said that she's received like over 300 rejections. What? Do you know that is good news? That is good news because those doors had to close so that you can finally walk into the doors that are open for you. If you walk into that door over there, that space that was not even for you, you're not going to thrive there. It's going to be hard for you in that place. But there is a place. There is a place and a space. Oh my God. There is a place and a space that is waiting just for you. That door had to close. That door had to close so you can walk in that through that door. That door had to close so you can walk through that one, the right one. That space where those people are waiting just for you. That space where you are going to impact their lives. That space where you are going to change people's lives. You are adding so much value just because of who you are. So from now on, if you get another rejection, yes. I want you to think of that rejection as an invitation. That is an invitation for you to keep going. That is an invitation to know that soon, the right door is going to open up for you. So when that one closes, oh, thank you, Lord, because I know you got better for me. I may have looked at that. I'm looking at how much I was going to get paid. I'm looking at the benefits. I'm looking at all the vacation time, all the extra perks. I'm looking at all the things from this one job right over here. But they said no. That's not rejection. That's protection. God's protecting you because he has placed so much inside of you. He like, you are healthy. You are whole. I have poured greatness inside of you. You are my masterpiece. You are my special possession. You just can't be walking up into any old space. No, I got the right space just for you. There is a people in this world, in this space that I have for you that they need you. Their lives are going to change just because of you. So those rejections, when they come, celebrate them. Celebrate them knowing that that door had to close so the right door can open just for you. Look, I'm Dr. Tam. I am your sister and your empowerment coach, and I pray that this word has been a blessing to you today. It's not rejection, it is God's protection. Don't be discouraged, sis. Keep going. Don't give up. You got this. Your door is going to open. Your time is coming. Your people, they're waiting just for you. You keep your head up. You keep your head up and you be encouraged that yours is coming. I'll check in with you soon.